students, welcome back. Today in both TS and AP, private teachers and lecturers, they are without salaries and they have been suffering from severe financial problems since last March, April, and the managements are not paying them the salaries. Few are paying them 50%, 60% like that, and many managements they terminated the faculty also. Now they are on the streets. So it is our responsibility, so everyone's responsibility to take care of those people. They have become like orphans today and they are on the roads now. Many have turned into agricultural laborers and many have become fruit vendors also. That's why take the example of Karnataka state. Their government employees, government teachers, they donated 1 day salary to help the private teachers and lecturers. So in our state also, in TS and AP also, in our Telugu states also, not only teachers, every government employee, so he has to donate at least 1 day salary to help these private teachers and lecturers. This is my request. Okay friends, we meet again very soon with latest updates. Till then, take care, bye bye, Jai Hind.